Hi, I'm Graham of Workboat, Bourgogne. I'm on board a Dutch hydrographic survey vessel. It's been converted into a cruising home which absolutely oozes character. Built by Mulder and Rijke in 1959 for the Dutch Hydrographic Survey authorities. This central wheelhouse just oozes character. Lots of the original equipment still on board. Make our way forward. Full height engine room. Houses a GM 115 horse 2-stroke diesel. Full bank of batteries. Absolutely immaculate down here. A Lister electrical powering an electrical generator, 7.5 kilowatt. There's also a power takeoff for that bank of bilge pumps and deck wash. Let's just spin around. Have a look at the aft seating position. And down the corridor on the port side leads into the area which has been converted for the present owner. Down 3 steps. Small double cabin, hanging space and lockers. Double bed, 1m90 by 1m20. Directly opposite the heads. Manual sea loop. And make our way aft again into the saloon area. Leads straight out onto the aft deck here. And that dinette transforms into another double berth. Just go back onto that aft deck. Loads of locker space, completely covered for 3 seasons use. How about that for a deck shower, hot and cold water? Let's just have another look at the interior. Once again, I'm Graham of Workboat, Bourgogne. If you'd like any more information about this converted Dutch hydrographic vessel, I'd like to hear from you. Call me, email me, Skype me.